In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Whole Suite in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open for the market you want to analyze. This can be any asset you normally trade, like a stock, a forex pair, or a crypto chart. Once your chart is open and you're comfortable with the time frame you're looking at, we're ready to start adding the Whole Suite indicator. Look toward the top of the TradingView interface and find the Indicators button. It's usually located just above the chart area. Go ahead and click on Indicator. This will open the Indicators and Strategies window, where you can search for pretty much anything you want to overlay on your chart. When that window appears, you'll see a search bar near the top. This is where we're going to find the Whole Suite. Click into that search bar so it's active and ready to type. It's important to use the search instead of scrolling through the full list because there are a lot of built-in indicators, and searching is simply faster and more precise. Now, type in Whole Suite into the search field. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the list of indicators below. You should see Whole Suite appear in the results. Once it shows up, click on it one time. TradingView will immediately add the Whole Suite indicator to your chart, and you'll see it appear as a smooth, colorful moving average overlaying your price candles. You'll also notice a new panel or label below the chart where you can later adjust settings like length or color, depending on the version of Whole Suite you're using. At this point, the indicator is already active, so you can start visually following how price reacts around it. Many traders use the Whole Suite to identify trend direction and potential entry or exit zones based on whether price is above or below the line, or when the color changes. You can experiment with different time frames, like switching from a 1-hour chart to a 4-hour or daily chart to see how the Whole Suite behaves and which view fits your trading style best. If you want to unlock more charts, more indicators per chart, and an overall smoother experience while using tools like Whole Suite, consider upgrading to TradingView Pro. I've included an affiliate link in the video description that takes you directly to the TradingView Pro sign-up page. Using that link supports the channel at no extra cost to you, and it helps me keep making tutorials like this. That's all you need to get Whole Suite up and running inside TradingView Pro.